Hari Om. My name is Shastri Bhagavatula. I teach Mridangam and Kuchipudi dance classes voluntarily here at the Hindu temple. Having been a part of the temple community for over 15 years, I was able to witness personally the growth of the temple not only as a place of worship but also a prime center for education and cultural enrichment in the area. With the various classes and satsang opportunities that it offers, HTOR has taken up the mission of empowering the future generation and uniting the community. I would like to extend my thanks to Pujari ji as well as the past and present office bearers of our temple for allowing me and other volunteer teachers to be part of this great journey. I pray to God that temple will see many more milestones and continue to grow. Namaskaram.